Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 5. Class 5, in previous lecture we done the question number 8. Now we will start the question number 10 because question number 9 is your homework. Page number 8, question number 9 is your homework. Question number 9 and question number 10 on copy. Class, this is your homework. Question number 9 is very easy to just this questions write in vertical form and subtract it. And in question number 10, write the number which is 2000 less than 49,840,328. Just आपने 49,840,328 में से 2000 minus करना. Now we will start the question number 11. Question number 11 is study the table carefully. The answer the given question below. Population of major cities of Pakistan according to the 2017 Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Peshawar and Quetta. What is the population of different cities? Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Peshawar and Quetta. Last one is Quetta. And what is the population of Karachi? Given the population of Karachi, your question 14,910,352. Now next one is Lahore. Next is Lahore 11,126,285. Next Faisalabad 3,203,846. Next Rawalpindi 2,98,231. Peshawar 1,972,042. Next 1,000,000 Quetta 1,01,205. Now find the answer of this word problem. First word problem: how many more people live in Karachi than in Rawalpindi? How many more people live in Karachi than in Rawalpindi? ये सबसे ग्रेटर जो नंबर है वो कराची का है. उसने देखा कि कराची में कितने लोग जो है वो ज्यादा रहते हैं रावलपिंडी से. Obviously, Karachi population of Karachi is greater than population of Rawalpindi. It means just subtract the number of Karachi, population of Karachi and Rawalpindi. The population of Karachi is greater than its mean we write. Firstly, we write 14,910,352. Next one is 2,98,231. Okay, class, subtract these 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 0 is not, 8 is not minus from 0. So we let the carry from 1. This is 10, 0 and 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. We let our carry from 9. 8. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 is same. 14 minus 2 is, because 2 is last one and 14 is 2 number. 14 minus 2 is, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 1 is, answer is 12,812,121. It's mean 812,121 more people live in Karachi than in Rawalpindi. And 31. Okay, class. Answer is 5,302,000. Okay, class. क्वेश्चन था कि which after फैसलाबाद के बाद which city has the most number of people. तो ये तो हमें पता है कि फैसलाबाद के बाद आ गया रावलपिंडी और फिर उसने कहा कि how many people all together live in this city and फैसलाबाद, कि इस सिटी में और फैसलाबाद में टोटल कितने लोग रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमने इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. Rawalpindi is the most population of after Faisalabad and addition of population of Faisalabad and Rawalpindi. Answer is 5,302,077 population. Okay, class C part. What is the total population of Lahore and Rawalpindi? What is the total population of Lahore and Rawalpindi? 11,126,285 and population of Faisalabad 203,846. Total means addition. Answer is 14,330,131 people live in Faisalabad and Puttur. 14,330,131 total people live in Lahore and Faisalabad. Okay, class C part is done. Now we will start the D parts. D part, which city has the least number of people? कि कौन सा सिटी है जिसमें सबसे कम लोग रहते हैं? Common sense that is कोयटा. What is the difference in population between this city and फैसलाबाद? तो उस सिटी और फैसलाबाद की पॉपुलेशन का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. D part. First answer of first part is Quetta. Now find the difference of Faisalabad and Quetta. 3,203,846. 1,01,205. Find the difference. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4, 6, 2, 0, 2. Answer is 2,202,641 people. The difference between the Faisalabad and Quetta. E part. If the population of Peshawar is added to that of Quetta, how many people are there altogether? If the people of Peshawar is added to that of Quetta, आपने Quetta और पेशावर की जो पॉपुलेशन है उसको ऐड करना है और बताना टोटल कितने लोग रहते हैं. ये की पार्ट आप लोग लिखते हैं. हरी अब स्टार्ट.